Remote project management success, key strategies and career opportunities. Managing a project remotely is now part of almost every work context, and it is vital to understand the skills it takes to manage remote teams and project tasks apart from the skills needed to manage projects in-house. Without the face-to-face elements to support project managing a remote team, project managers need to put more emphasis on ways to effectively communicate and rely more on digital tools and superior leadership skills to obtain success.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
In this blog, we'll be discussing how to improve remote project management and share up-and-coming careers in the field of project management, which is growing. The importance of remote project management. As companies move toward remote working environments, project managers must adapt their working methods. A distributed set of team members introduces many obstacles, such as distance, communication issues, time zone issues, and cooperation challenges. However, remote management can be just as effective as in-person project management solutions. Success in remote project management is driven by clear communication, effective technology use, and a strong team culture. Additionally, with the increasing demand for project manager remote jobs, professionals with strong leadership and organizational skills have more opportunities than ever to advance their careers in a flexible work environment. Successful project managers and team members are becoming increasingly available for remote jobs as well. Now, let's explore some practical suggestions for enhancing remote project management. Key strategies for remote project management success. 1. Establish clear communication channels. Good communication is the foundation of successful project management. Without regular face-to-face interactions, it's easy for misunderstandings and delays to occur. To prevent this, project managers should set clear communication guidelines for the team. This includes defining which platforms to use for meetings, status updates, and file sharing. For example, using email for formal discussions, messaging apps for quick updates, and video calls for detailed discussions keeps communication structured. It is also important to promote asynchronous communication. Remote teams may be in various time zones, and not every communication requires an immediate response. Collaboration tools such as recorded meetings and shared documents will keep communication aligned. 2. Use the right project management tools. Remote work is contingent upon monitoring workflows efficiently while keeping our process manageable. Therefore, there are many effective remote work tools regarding writing projects, but it will not be easy if we don't use them wisely. Good project management tools promote the tracking of tasks, delegation of responsibilities, track progress, and more. Various project management tools will meet various needs. Some are great for simply tracking tasks, and others can manage complex projects with multiple teams. A few widely used project management tools include Trello, simple task tracking with boards and lists. Asana, ideal for detailed project planning and team collaboration. ClickUp, all-in-one platform for tasks, docs, and team communication. Jira, best for agile teams managing software development projects. By choosing the right tool for your team's workflow, you can streamline processes and boost productivity. 3. Build a strong team culture. When you work remotely, it's common to feel lonely. Since remote teams don't meet each day like traditional office teams, it can be a factor that affects your team's motivation and engagement. Project managers should find ways to facilitate informal interaction to maintain a great team culture. Informal opportunities can include virtual coffee chats, team challenges or activities, or virtual happy hour meetings where coworkers can hang out together. Another important aspect of building trust is to promote open communication and then feedback. When team members feel valued and are invited to share their voices, they will most likely be engaged and be contributors to project results. 4. Set clear goals and performance metrics. When directors or team leads don't directly manage remote team members, performance tracking by output, not hours worked, is preferred rather than a calculation of time spent logged in. You are no longer going to ask how long someone is online, you are going to start asking if they finished before the deadline and did quality work. It is very important that project managers establish clear and measurable goals for their team members that connect to an overall business objective. If you set a simple tracking plan using something like an OKR, objectives and key results, approach, and you can do weekly progress reports, it will really turn accountability up as well. Team members will be much more motivated and productive when they clearly understand expectations and how their work matters to the success of the project. 5. Encourage skill development and learning. Remote project management requires continuous learning. In today's fast-paced world that industry professionals must navigate, it is important to stay up to date with the possibilities of new emerging technologies, new processes, and best practice thinking. Motivating team members to take part in online course training or professional workshops helps grow existing and new skills. Certification programs, e.g., PMP or Scrum Master certifications, may provide even more robust career advancement. Investing in professional learning and development will allow the team to be more agile and innovative while responding to the demands of an industry undergoing rapid change. Emerging career opportunities in remote project management. Remote project management is not just a skill, it's a career path with growing demand. Businesses across different industries are hiring project managers who can coordinate virtual teams and execute projects efficiently. Here are some popular career opportunities in remote project management. 1. IT and software project manager. With the rising number of technology-dependent organizations, the IT and software project manager position has gained prominence through team, software development tracking, and project closure. These professionals add value by working directly with developers, designers, and product managers to help ensure that software is released on time and that quality is maintained. They also employ agile methodologies to guide and optimize development processes. 2. Agile Scrum Master. Scrum Masters who are agile help teams practice and apply agile approaches to better effective workflows. They also assist teams in eliminating obstacles, manage meetings and gatherings, and keep team members aligned on their work when they develop their work. We find this role to be most beneficial in our experience in fast-moving industries, in technology, finance, and marketing where it is important to make fast changes and decisions. 3. Digital Marketing Project Manager. Marketing teams frequently conduct business from afar, making project managers necessary for orchestrating campaigns, content, and social media initiatives. They oversee SEO projects, advertising campaigns, and brand building initiatives across multiple digital platforms to ensure they run smoothly. 4. Healthcare and Pharma Project Manager. With the healthcare industry embracing remote operations, project managers in this field coordinate telehealth projects, research initiatives, and compliance documentation. Their work ensures that healthcare services meet industry regulations and operate efficiently, even in virtual settings. 5. Construction and Engineering Project Manager. Even in industries that require physical work, remote project management is becoming common. Construction and engineering project managers handle site planning, compliance documentation, and team coordination using digital tools. This allows companies to manage multiple projects remotely while maintaining efficiency in execution.
If you found this video informative and useful, We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.